Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you will ever make, and the legal side of it can get overwhelming. But don't worry, in today's video, I am breaking down 5 key clauses that every home buyer in Canada needs to know. These clauses can protect you and save you from a lot of headaches down the road. Stick around and let's make sure you are fully prepared for your home buying journey. Number 1. The financing clause. This clause ensures that your purchase depends on you securing a mortgage. If your loan isn't approved, this clause allows you to walk away without losing your deposit. Banks can sometimes decline mortgage applications even if you have pre-approval. This clause protects you from being stuck with a financial commitment you can't meet. For example, imagine you put an offer on a house in Toronto and the bank refuses your mortgage due to changing interest rates. Without the financing clause, you could lose your deposit, but with it, you can back out safely. Number 2. The home inspection clause. This is a must-have to protect you from unexpected repair costs. This clause lets you make the purchase conditional on a home inspection. If the inspection reveals major issues like a cracked foundation or a leaky roof, you can negotiate repairs, lower the price, or even back out. Hidden issues can cost thousands of dollars to fix after you move in. This clause gives you the peace of mind. For example, let's say you are buying a resale home in Vancouver and the inspection shows mold in the basement. With this clause, you can ask the seller to fix the problem or reduce the price to cover the repair. Number 3. The title search clause. This ensures that the property you are buying has a clear title. A title search checks for any legal issues with the property like unpaid taxes, liens and disputes over ownership. This clause allows you to back out if any problems are found. You don't want to buy a home only to discover later that someone else has a claim on it or that there's an unpaid debt attached to it. For example, you are buying a house in Calgary and the title search reveals that the previous owner didn't pay their property taxes. With this clause, you can ask the seller to resolve it before closing. Number 4. The appraisal clause. This clause is crucial if you are getting a mortgage, as it ensures that the home's appraised value matches or exceeds your offer price. If the appraisal comes in lower than expected, you can renegotiate the price or back out. Banks base your mortgage on the appraised value, not the purchase price. If there's a gap, you will need to pay the difference out of pocket. For example, you offer $500,000 for a home in Mississauga, but the appraisal comes back at $480,000. With this clause, you can renegotiate the price to avoid paying an extra $20,000 upfront. Number 5. The closing date clause. This clause outlines the date when the transaction will be finalized. It ensures both parties agree on a specific date for transferring ownership, funds and keys. If there's a delay from the seller side or yours, this clause gives you a legal framework to handle the situation. Suppose you are buying a new build in Ottawa, but the construction is delayed. If your clause mentions flexibility or penalties, you can either wait or ask for compensation for the inconvenience. Why understanding these clauses matters? These clauses are not just legal jargon. They protect your money, time and peace of mind. A well-written purchase agreement with these clauses ensures you are not taking on unnecessary risks. Here are some tips for home buyers. A realtor can explain these clauses in detail and negotiate on your behalf. Read before you sign. Don't rush. Make sure you understand every clause in the agreement before signing it. If something seems unclear, ask for the clarification. It's better to be 100% sure than regret it later. So, buying a home is exciting, but it's also a complex process. By knowing these 5 clauses, you will be better equipped to make smart, informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is planning to buy a home. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and advice. And if you need expert help, feel free to reach out. We would love to guide you through your home buying journey. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.